Welcome to the Melody Renovation project. This is a renovation we did for our good friend Jill. The initial scope for an 8-week time frame was actually just to do painting and the flooring. But as you'll see in the coming episodes, the scope creep was huge. In the end, it was all worth it. And we cannot wait to share all of the progress with you. We're just so beyond stoked with the way that this place has really come together. From the design planning to all the renovating, all the painting, all the flooring, all the different Bunnings ones.
Follow us on Instagram, Facebook, our YouTube channel to see our up and coming projects.
Because we'll be planning our next one soon.
So stay tuned!